Having any problem getting insurance lately? Well, if you're not, or you're not aware that you might have problems, we may want you to watch this video and see what's coming down the road, because the insurance business is getting a little bit crazy in Florida. This is Ron Wysocarski at Wise Home Team Realty, and for many people, buying a house, it used to be super simple. You get a hold of your insurance company, you get a rate, you bind it super fast, and it can almost happen in one day. What's changed is just about everything. You see, now they're going to want to see your 4-point inspection for any house that's more than 10 years old. They're going to want to see the same 4-point inspection for any roof that's older than 10 years old. So you can have a brand new roof on a 30-year-old house, but if it's 10 years old, it's not really new anymore. They're going to look at that, and they may or may not offer you insurance. And what's crazier is, if you are renewing your homeowner's insurance, they may not renew you if your roof is too old. So this is a big thing. And insurance companies, well, let's face it, they don't like to pay out. And they have paid out a lot. There has been this thing where roofing companies will come through your neighborhood and offer to put a roof on your house at little or no cost, and maybe even help you beat the deductible. Well, insurance companies caught on to that, and now they put a stop to it. Now, recently, legislation has been put into effect which limits this opportunity to recapture that. It initially was scheduled to have a moratorium on July 1st. That's got pushed back a little bit, but we're going to be watching this closely. So if you're buying a house and you're struggling to get insurance, or maybe haven't looked yet, here's my deepest sincere recommendation to you. When you go under contract and you make your escrow and you make your mortgage application, get the insurance on day one to make sure that it's a policy that you would like to have, or to make sure it's even available. And if you have other questions down the road about things like renewals and what type of property it's going to be, or maybe you're trying to rent it or make an Airbnb out of it, that might be a different policy. And again, you need to check these things. The roof is super critical, more so than it's ever been, and it's changed. So if you've been out of the game for a while, or just been on auto renew for your insurance, I'd look into it this year and make sure you're not caught without it. If you have questions, let us know. Definitely hit the subscribe button. This is Ron Wysocarski at Wise Home Team Realty.